Why I
No, no.
start?
How it started.
Now it is started. Like that, that day I lost. Okay. So here today we'll see dictionary. Actually, if you know whatever data type we have learned, okay, just it has different representation, but it has internally it has very nice facility. It stores efficiently something. Okay. So dictionary is a data type. This is mutable data type we have seen, right? So we have
Yeah.
seen a string is immutable, list is mutable, tuple immutable, dictionary is another mutable, right? We learned all these tuple within C. Tuple also we'll look at, but we'll have similar kind of scenario. We'll look at that so that this data type will be completed. Okay. I don't want to leave anything out of it.
Okay.
So what happens in dictionary? We will have something like till now whatever we have seen. Okay, like a string. In a string, what we see? Elements will be a character, right?
Yeah.
In list, what we see? It can be a number, a string, anything, any float number, right? So
Yes, sir.
similarly in tuple, we didn't see this one yet. So in tuple, like we can have also mixed thing. Okay. But the usage of tuple will not be much, but okay, we should know that.
Sir, can we use float in tuple?
So sorry, what do you say?
Can we
He's
use
gonna go.
float value in tuple?
No, I could not hear again. Both of you spoke.
Can we use a float value in tuple?
Yes, yes, why not? Yes,
Okay.
let's see. So, so these are normal format. Yeah, we also learned set. That's why I thought one more thing we learned. Enough. Why I'm missing. We also see the set, right?
So far, settle I find very helpful.
Okay. So tuple is almost similar thing, but okay, look at that one also sometime. So these things you know, right? In this, what is happening? We see these are the every element is separated by comma in all you can see except a string, right? In dictionary, what will happen? It has this format like dictionary equal to you. It will be written in the flower bracket, and we will need some key. Means suppose that key kind of we can take maybe name. I want to store my name and age. Okay, Jania name and age. Sorry for wrong age.
Sorry.
Sir, you gotta put 16. No, sir. No, sir.
I'll take 13. Okay.
Okay.
And if you both of you had, all three of you had, then still you are not reaching my age. It looks like that. No, if you three of you can come. So,
But my
so
dad's
what?
bigger than you.
Yeah. So what I'm telling you. So in this also you can see how many elements are here. So see the number of comma, right? Comma indicates the separator of the element, right? So you have two a comma means two plus one, three elements are there. But what
Okay.
is its format? It needs something called key means some name should be there. Name of element should be there. Okay. Means we have to have this is the value. This is called value. This is called key. And key should have some like some kind of a string we put. Some kind of a string or any key can should be like it is written below. Key should be any mutable thing, immutable, sorry, mutable value or yeah, value. That's right. And is happening. Okay. And value should be any mutable value. So we have two part, key part and value part. In a lot of cases, this kind of scenario happens and it helps a lot. Okay. And the beauty of this that it provides very fast searching, very fast searching, and efficient memory handling. So wherever you want to have, wherever you can use this dictionary, prefer to use this one in place of other. Yeah, Randeep, go ahead.
Sir, now in in I think string number 5,
Mm-hmm.
you put text is equal to Ravi 40.
Mm-hmm.
So can you create a
No,
cell below it?
sorry, I interrupted you. Can you repeat again?
Nothing, sir. Can you make another cell below it?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Can you type Ravi?
You can like this.
Yeah, and then enter. I won't print 40. Okay.
It will not. It will. For that, we learn how to print that one. We have to print something like this. Dict one like this. So in previous cases, like we have seen in the list or a string, right? Let us consider the compare with the list and a string. Eventually, in the set also, we can write something like this: a string of 0. Fine, right? See, list one of 0. Fine, that's also correct. Then tuple one of 0. It will not. 1 second. I'm not tuple
Print define.
stupid. What is happening? Okay, sorry. So this is done, right? In this also, like here we have two ways. Set also we can do, right? Set one. In set, uh, 1 second. We don't do subscripting here, right? In set one, we have to do update kind of thing because it cannot change. Here, what happens? Either you write this way, see it will give you, or we can write this way.
Sir, you look very irritated. Everything okay?
Like my roommate was moving and he was not aware I'm on the video call.
Okay, sir. We don't mind. I don't know about we, but I don't mind.
I don't mind.
Just now, he was not aware. Yeah, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, okay. Leave it now. So yeah, what in the dictionary? We have to use some key here, okay? The whatever keys. In the previous case, we have indexes, right? These are the indexes, okay? And these are the key name we have to use instead of indexes. So you can see this thing, whatever I have said you, we can see the same thing. So this dict one is a dictionary. We have to write like this. This is separated between the element. We need some key and some value. As I said, this should be immutable, means this should not be changed. But here you can put anything which you can change, means we can put any list, any tuple, any other dictionary. Whatever you know, you can put anything in the value. Okay.
Mm.
But here we need to have anything immutable. So dictionary is mutable. We can update its value. Key must be unique and must be unique also. Yes, all the keys should be unique and it's immutable. Value is accessed by key. Value can be updated while key cannot be changed. We can change the because as I said, it is mutable. You can change, but this is immutable. We cannot change, right? Internally, it is called as associative array since the key works as index and key are decided by the user. Okay, let's forget this is the not required for you now. So we have seen we can start or maybe we can create a empty dictionary either using this bracket or we can use this function, dict function. We can see that somewhere. It will be appearing. Like if you write somewhere, you can see here. This is the dictionary. This is list. This is tuple, this is set, this is a string,
Sorry,
right?
what?
If you want to create empty dictionary, we should use this syntax, or maybe you can use this syntax as well. This is an empty dictionary. So there,
Okay.
there are two ways to create empty dictionary. This is one or this one. Both are empty dictionary. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see list. If you want to create empty list, this is the empty list, this is the empty tuple, this is empty set, and this is empty string. This is what I was telling you. And if you want to run and check the code, it is print because it is empty dictionary. It is showing like this. These all are the empty thing. It is showing like this. Empty string will not print anything here. You can see it is blank. And if you want to print the type, it's what this data type for this variable is. So this class of dictionary, class of list, class of tuple, class of a set, class of a string, right?
Wait, what? That doesn't make any sense though.
Where? What?
Wait, you didn't define the variables DLTSST, right?
It is
You
defined here. It is just,
no, okay.
it is used semicolon. So it's, don't see that.
Yes, sir. I can understand now. Yeah, you can carry forward.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is there nested dictionary also?
Yeah, you can do. Oh, okay, we didn't cover the nested list also. Now I remember.
No, sir. No, don't cover it. It's already covered.
Is it?
No, wait,
In
no.
everyone's brain, it's usually covered, right? No?
No.
The nested list like Chania needs some practice on that.
Or I can
Exactly.
join on different times if,
Yeah.
yeah.
And
I'll
record and I will upload the video they will look at. Okay, so yeah. So you can see we are creating. We can also have like some dictionary like this. We can give index, sorry, key edge integer value also we are able to give. Let's see. Okay. Sometime we can mix the key. Like see here. This is the integer. This is a string, float, and then again integer. And you can see that different kind of values, a string, numbers, tuple, like whatever you know, you can just put them here. So this is another one. So if you print simply my dictionary, it will give you like this. Let me show you. So let me break this one. This is one, if you have some list of, if you want to create some dictionary from the existing list and set of tuple, we can use this function. Dict means you know that this is a kind of typecasting. It is converting the data type. It will convert to dictionary actually. As we have seen, suppose that you create some list one, right? Like this. And if I want to create convert into the set, what we do? We pass to the set, right? Similarly, if you have something and you want to convert into the dictionary, then we can use like this dictionary.
DICT. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you mentioned this before.
Yeah, but that was empty, na? That was creating empty dictionary. So what we are doing here, we are creating a list of tuple here. You can this is kind of nested example, Janya. So what we can see within a list we have two tuple. Okay, two tuple. So this will automatically be converted in the form of dictionary. So here it is showing. If you check, this is a list. Why? Because inside the list we are putting some tuple. So it is checking type of this is C. Can you see this from here to here?
Yes, sir.
So this is the list, but I want we want to convert into the dictionary. 1 second, where is the dictionary? Yeah, here. So it automatically converted into the dictionary format. Can you see here?
Yes.
So it has considered one as a key and another one as a value.
Oh, I
Okay.
thought you had to add quotations upon one.
No, there is no quotation here.
No, but I thought you had to.
Yeah, like generally we most of the cases we use in the real life example, but you can have anything which cannot be changed. We cannot make one like, so I'll tell you what I mean with example. Suppose that I create a value x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, or maybe let me do this way, Ravi and Randeep. Okay, so I can create a dictionary like this also. Dictionary equal to, okay, or maybe this one, um, key 1 comma Ravi, key 2 Randeep. So this is, we cannot change, but here Ravi and Randeep can be changed, right? See here. So we let us print this. This is mutable.
Yeah, but key one we can't change
Yeah,
unless you go inside and change.
yeah. Let us do one more thing. I want to put Ravi. This one should also work because we have this value is fixed. Eventually, it will take its value. So that's why it is working. This will work here. But if you want to put some list, let us take some list here. Then it will not work. Okay. This, if I'll put same thing here, it will work. This is fine because this value is coming here and this key are fixed. Then this whole will work. But
Okay,
here,
yeah.
if you see, if I want to put list here, this is not,
Because
this is
it's predefined,
mutable, right? So it will not work. Why? Because we need something here which cannot be changed.
so it
Because
cannot be a variable then.
yeah,
So it
but
has
if
to be like a
but
string.
if you want to make, then we can do something else. Maybe tuple also we can do because tuple is immutable. See, it will. So it will look like this then. Or maybe you can, what you said, Chanya, also we can do. That's a great idea also. See, this one also will work. See,
I'm sure,
you
yeah.
got it. So that was the thing we were talking about. So
So,
this
so
should.
now, so I have
Mm-hmm.
a question here.
Mm-hmm.
So you made the variable a string, right?
Yeah.
So now are the contents in the variable also going to be strings or will they still be integers?
In this variable you are talking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Now, so
in
now,
this you can put anything that will be converted to a string automatically due to this, right? So that what is, like, I don't think your question is obvious here.
no, sir, how do I say this? So now so you already defined a variable and put it as the key, right?
Mm, here.
So yeah, you already defined a list and
Yeah.
then and then put the list as the key. And then
Yes. Yeah.
now we're saying string. So like, are these both different or still the same?
These two.
So like, is the key, so the one on the left, yeah, is that one? And that one same.
This one. See, okay, left and right, this and this you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
Right now it is same because you can see same value, but it will not work. But when I'll
Yeah.
convert it to a string, it is different, right? You can see the look. You can see here how does it look like. It has, see,
Oh,
it looks without single quote, and this is with single quote means it is a fixed thing. It is a
okay.
string now, but it is list here. So I'll show you how.
Okay, no, I understood.
No, no, no. I want to show you. You cannot stop me like this.
So you show everything and then it's the end.
I'll do this for you. See here, I'll do something like this. Tell me what is going to happen.
Okay, sir.
Janya, you have to apply your brain because I know you are sleeping there.
uh,
I'm gonna start sleeping in a few minutes or hours.
Yeah, tell me, Randeep,
Sir,
she will sleep again.
let Jane tell her.
I know she cannot speak now. She cannot apply brain.
It's gonna take like 10.
Okay, Janya, I'll help you. Tell me what it is going to give.
so it's gonna give this as a string.
No, it will. See, I'm accessing. This is a key, right? I'm passing that key here. This is a key here. So
Okay,
this
so
key, when we print like this, it will give you a value. This value you'll get.
okay, yeah, okay,
No, but you'll only get 10 if you put 0.
Yes, see that guy has applied developed brain now these days for a couple of days.
okay, okay. Indexing, my
Got
brain.
it?
Yes, sir.
We can write similar thing, similar this thing also we can keep there if I don't want to type that much, like just see
Yes, sir.
like this. So this is a string you can see here, right?
Yes, sir.
But here we cannot do this. We cannot take part of this. Okay, fine. Nested list. This one is okay, done. Move next.
But
What it is? Sorry.
how much more time do we have?
20 minutes.
Whatever it is, we'll cover whatever we can.
Okay.
Forget about that one. Now let us see. Suppose that you want to see all the what keys you have. Means I have created some dictionary. I want to print all the key only key have part. Okay, only key.
Yeah.
Then we can use keys function like this. I'll show you.
Oh, yeah, only want to print the key. Okay. Yeah.
I can. It must be used here. See, like this we can use. Okay. Eventually I can show you here also. D1 dot keys. See, it has given all the keys in the list format. It give like this actually. Likewise, if you want to see all the values together, see, these are the values. So similarly, so those things it is telling. So we can use while indexing, it is used the other data type to access value. Dictionary uses keys, and keys can be used either inside a square bracket or with the get method. So you can both thing you can use. So whatever you have doing using this in dictionary, you can use get thing. So this a square bracket is replaced with the get, and that will work as well. Like
Right.
whatever you have seen using the square bracket, that you can replace with the dot get thing.
But
Let
I'm
me
not
show.
understanding that dot gets it.
I'll show you. Let's see there only. Forget. So here what you see, this is a dictionary, right? And here we have four key, 1, 2, 3, and C.
Yeah.
Okay. So either if I write my dict 1, then
It'll
it is
print
giving
my.
Python. But same thing we can write using this.
Okay.
Python my dict dot get 1.
Oh, okay.
This is both are
The
same.
one above is easier, right?
So this square bracket is replaced. Sorry, what is your question?
No, but the one above is easier, right?
Yeah, yeah, who want to write this much big? But they have given facility, then no problem. Let us use that. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have see that sometime you have some key here, 1, 2, 3, and C. But you are putting some key is not available in that. It will give you key error. That is what it was telling you.
Okay.
But beauty of this get is you can see here. If that key is not there, it returns a none. So that's useful in that case. But if you use some key is not there, it will return key error. So this is better. Like suppose that you want to check, you want to check some keys there in that. If it is there, it will return you some value. If it is returning none, if it is returning none, then you can check, okay, this element is not there. So that way you can say get is better.
Oh, yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So if you are sure that you have some key there inside, then you should use a square bracket. Otherwise, unnecessarily you have to handle this,
Okay.
right? Otherwise, it's better to use this one. Prefer to use.
Yeah.
Now we have seen that like keys. So if you want to print keys, it will give you all the keys together.
Sir, why is C God's language?
Oh, sorry.
It
Yeah,
says
because
dict.
C. It's okay, fine. Like
No, no, no,
because
but
C
like,
was the very trend. Still, it is used a lot in the hard embedded coding, hardware coding, and C is the foundation of all other. You can say mother language for most of the advanced language, high level language these days. Like whatever you see.
okay,
So C is the trend setter. In the background, a lot of C thing runs. C and Fortran runs are still in the Python.
okay,
If you see, like whatever you write here na, in Python, Python internally converts into either C, C++,
okay.
Fortran, and couple of things in Python itself. So this is internally, it uses all this language in the background.
Yeah, my friend's dad is a chip designer, so in that case, he
Mm.
must use C, right, to input data into the chip.
Might be. You can ask him. I'm not sure. Embedded language and all, yeah. In chip and all, they use that. Okay, so what I said you, now you know this when you run to through the dict, when you get all the dict keys, you want to print each of the keys, you can walk through the loop also. So it will take one after another element and it will print. So you know this as we do in list or as we do in the string. Likewise, you can do here also. It will look like this. It gave you all the keys and we are printing each of the element using that key. So it will take one key on X and it is taking that value of that. Eventually, why did they put? Okay, okay, let us put this way so that confusion will not be
Yeah,
there.
because it's a keyword, right?
Yeah, and it's not keyword, but it's a function
And why is it in green, sir, if it's not a keyword?
because it is uh, inbuilt function is there. So
Okay.
that looks better one now, right? So this
Yeah.
dict one cage. So we get the key one after another key. It will be passed here. So you can see the what if you print X here, then you can understand. It's taking, it's taking giving you this one. So dict one, so it will give Python. Then dict two, then it is Java. Janya, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, then keep on telling yes, yes. Then I'll move next time. I'll
Okay.
keep on explaining for
Yes, sir.
you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Now it's time to change or add something into the dictionary. Okay. So you know that you can change some value. Like suppose that here name is author. I want to change is Ravi. That I can do. If here age is 24, I want to make it 25. Just we can just do this. So anything we can change here in the value part. But as you do in the list, we are giving their index, but we have to give key here and you can change that value. So this is called updating the value. Eventually, see, if you want to add something here, you want to add something here like this, okay? Down, down. So that one also you can do. Automatically, it will add something here. And that's beauty of this. And that's very, very useful if you use in the loop.
Show that again.
Wait, sir. What if we put single quotes for downtown?
Doesn't matter what, you can put anything. You know this in a string, both are
Yes.
having similar value.
Okay.
Oh,
Like suppose that I want to add some more element into that, okay? Pin, zip. Then I can put here, my suppose a V3R 7S1, okay?
why, sir?
So what will happen automatically? It will add one element in this tree here.
No, but what's the key?
Zip.
This is the
Oh,
key. This is the key. This is the
that's
beauty. That is what it's very, very useful. That is another reason. This is very
what was the thing you were saying?
customizable. Sorry.
You were saying something before about the downtown thingy. What was it?
Regarding what? No, this is my zip code. That's what I was telling.
Is this what you were saying?
Yeah, that is what I was telling that time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
'Cause
It was not nice. No. So you can easily change any element or you can easily add any element into the dictionary that is clear to you. And same thing it is done here. This is another example. That's all. Now coming to the removal of the element from the dictionary. Okay. If you want to remove anything, you know that you can use pop and you have to provide key in that. This method removes the item with the provided key and returns the value. Means it will what is removed that will give you pop item. If you want to remove some a specific item randomly, okay, then you can specify key and value in the pair. If you want to remove all the elements in a one go, you can use clear. If you want to remove only one element, you can use delete. Delete is the global thing. You can use anything anywhere. Eventually, you can delete whole list, dictionary, everything also.
I like delete actually.
Yeah, because yeah, it is global. Everywhere it is working. So here, suppose that we have created a dictionary 1 to 1, 2 to 4, like a square dictionary. We can pop that key 4, then it will removed. This element will be removed.
Wait, is it gonna pop the key for or the index for?
It will based on the pop. It will give you the value, and then this element is gone. So you can see here we have 5 elements here, but now after that we have 4 only due to
No.
this. So that is gone. 4, 16 are gone.
Okay. Is the squares? Okay. These are squares. Okay.
If you do pop item, generally it just some any key value it will remove. Might be last one or first one. It depends. Which one is stored internally in the memory first.
Okay.
So just, but we never use this one. We don't use, and we should not remove anything out of it, right? Until we know the region. So generally we use this one. If you want to remove all the item, just use this one or maybe use this one also. Either one is fine. Okay, this is some more example here. So I'm just skipping this because you already deleted everything. You will get name error. It's not defined. Some more
Yeah.
functions are that this thing you are already aware of all any len compare is the new you want to compare two list but it's not there in the Python 3 then forget about this. Sorted str means you can convert anything to a string and type to get that what type of. So this is whatever you have learned in the list set. All these things are applicable here as well. So I don't think these things are required to cover here. I'll just move to the next level. We have some more key. Most of the things are we have covered. We could not cover which is useful like items. Items is useful. Update is all okay. Like update, either use update or you just give the dictionary and equals. That also you are aware. Values, like you can get all the values. Keys will give you all the items will give items and values should give items will give you this format means key value format. This is interesting. Values will give only value. Keys will give only key. Okay. Get and from sequence of return. Okay. This is also interesting. If you want to pass a list of key together in any sequence format, it will give you all the values. So this is a new thing. Copying, if you want to copy a dictionary into another, let us follow use copy things. That's better. Okay, clear you already know. So let's see quickly. It has created some list. 1 second.
కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్తున్నాడు కదా.
Yeah, what she is asking. Janya, tell me. You're on mute, but
No, sir, I had this thermocol in my hand. She's like, don't tear it.
no,
Therm
can you repeat again?
I had this thermocol in my hand, and she's like, keep it back.
Still, I could not get. Okay, forget it. It's not related to you. But I heard she was telling, are you getting concept or not? I understood like that.
Oh.
I don't know Telugu doesn't mean that you can tell me some other story.
She said, I heard concept. I don't know though. Okay,
Uh,
anyway.
no, these things are straightforward, I guess. So,
Yes.
okay.
So can you tell what from keys is again?
Yeah, that is what I'm also telling here. So method from keys create a new dictionary with cues from sequence and values set to value. Okay. So we are creating subsequence here. Some tuple is created. Let's do this one after another. So initially what happened? It has created some dictionary from that. So these are considered as key and values are set as none. Once we have created this dictionary, we can set the value later on. That is what from keys. So you can see now what it is doing. So it is same thing. It is printing, nothing difference. So that's necessary thing. Now sequence. So what it is doing here, see when we have written my dictionary dot from keys sequence, by default it has taken value as none. But if you want to set some value across same all, so if I put 50, it has putting 50 across. That's all. That is what from keys is. From keys are. You good? Did you get Janya, or should I repeat again?
Yes, I got it. I got it.
Yeah,
Yes.
so you have some, you know that some mutable thing you should have. So from key you pass some sequence here, means like as we are passing some tuple here. Let's try with the list also, I guess. I'm not sure if it's list thing it will work or not.
Sir, I actually didn't understand from keys.
See, if you want to create a, a dictionary, okay, where you know the all the key name in advance,
Okay.
then in that case you can use from keys. So in this case you can say I have created a dictionary where we know all the key and value we
Okay.
want to determine later on, like based on the some loop or some other conditions. So that way we can use this one.
So how do you do it? What did you do?
Just we have some, we have a list of these keys, okay? You can just type these are keys, okay? I
Okay.
pass that keys here and see how does it look like. So keys are already created based on this list.
Okay.
Keys are created and values are kept none.
Okay.
So this value we can set later on, and that's usable thing
Oh.
sometime.
Okay.
Yeah, Jania, go ahead.
Uh, so sir, can we put anything in the brackets, like
Where? Here?
in the from keys brackets?
In this one?
Yes, sir.
No. No, we should have some, in this we can put like list, set, okay? What else? Tuple, this kind of thing.
Okay.
We can put like any sequence it is they are talking about.
Yes, sir.
Set, I'm not sure. Let us try with the set also. Actually, I never use the set. Oh, it's also working. Great. Okay, list set tuple. Okay.
So the class is going to end. Don't start anything new.
Okay then. I guess rest of the things are you are aware of. Mostly we can we'll learn this one Python dictionary comprehension tomorrow once. Okay, this is important. And
Okay,
then we
sir.
are through. We are done. And maybe tomorrow tuple also will cover quickly. But eventually, if you see practice list properly and you have seen all this, no, this kind of functions, these are common across all. Slightly changes are there. Like clear we have seen, copy we have seen earlier. But in this we have like keys items get of values. These are new. Otherwise, rest of the couple of things we have seen here, that you can see len, sorted, any, all these things we have seen, str,